Hi there folks. Today we're going to have a look at some 7.62 by 54R ammunition. This is the PPU brand, and this particular loading is the 182 grain full metal jacket boat tail round. And this is probably my favorite factory load for the 7.62 54 because it is accurate and powerful and reasonably priced. And for a test rifle, we're going to be using the 9130 PU sniper rifle once again. So we're going to try this out at 100 yards for accuracy and velocity. So let's get at it. I'm going to apologize in advance for the wind noise. My camera doesn't do the best in the wind, and today we have a wind blowing directly at us, so hopefully it's not too annoying. Here's the first group that was fired at the range. I'm back home at the moment and decided to do this from home because the wind noise was just too severe at the range. Anyway, this is our first group, and as you can see, it's a pretty decent one. Measured it at 1 inch center to center between these two farthest ones. So that's a pretty good performance from ball ammo, and that is out of a cold, clean barrel. And here's our second group of the day, and it measures 1.4 inches. And this, of course, is 5 shots from 100 yards. Alright, let's have a look at the chronograph data. The chronograph is placed about 8 feet in front of the muzzle. Low velocity shot 25.58. High velocity was 26.72. For an average of 26.25. Extreme spread's pretty big, 114. And a standard deviation of about 36. And here are the individual 10 shots. And these rounds were fired from a cold, clean barrel, and of course the readings on the chronograph are reverse of the order that they're shot in. So as we get to the last reading on the chronograph, it's actually the first shot to be fired. Well, I guess it's about time to draw some conclusions on this ammunition. I've been firing this 182 grain PPU load for quite a number of years, probably close to 20 odd years since I fired my first box of the stuff. And I've always found it to be accurate ammunition and 100% reliable. The cartridge cases are good brass reloadable stuff, boxer primed. And but the only bad thing I can really say about this ammo is that the heavier bullet weight, the 182 grain bullet, doesn't correspond terribly well to the sight graduations on Mosin Nagant rifles. I really notice it with the 9130 PU rifle. The scope on that has a BDC type elevation adjustment, and the further back you go, the further and further away from the sight graduations you get with this heavier bullet. It does shoot quite well. You just have to basically disregard the sight graduations and kind of figure it out as you go. But anyway, overall, I think this is really good quality ammunition. PPU also makes a match type of load that is similar to this. I've never seen it for sale here in Canada. I would really like to try that sometime if they ever bring it into Canada, because if the ball stuff shoots, you know, an inch or an inch and a half, I can only imagine how well their match type loading would do. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you later.